Hello everyone! Today we'll take a look at the best low-profile mechanical keyboards in 2021 and beyond. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and my goal here is to help you find the right one for your needs. For the best prices and more information about these low-profile mechanical keyboards, check out the links in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which keyboard are you using right now, and how do you like it? Let me know in the comments. The Corsair K70 keyboard is the perfect keyboard for gamers who want to get more out of their gaming experience. The keyboard features durable, high-quality construction and a stylish design that will impress your friends. All these perks don't come cheap though, with this model costing upwards of $150 at many retailers. Is it worth the price? Read on to find out. For most people, the best feature about the Corsair K70 keyboard is its durability. This keyboard can take anything you throw at it without showing any signs of wear or tear, which means you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon, especially if you game often or play in tournaments where items are subject to much wear and tear. The Corsair K70 keyboard is made out of solid aluminum and has cherry MX red switches that will last for at least 50 million keystrokes. Other features include customizable backlighting, which allows it to be used in the dark without issue. The next best feature about the Corsair K70 keyboard is its design. Unlike most keyboards that come with only a standard black finish or one designed explicitly for gamers, this keyboard can be customized with different colors through the use of interchangeable key sets and wrist rests. This means you don't have to settle just because red and black aren't your favorite color combination. You can even get blue keys if that suits your style better. Many people swear by red keyboards, however, as the colors help prevent eye strain and fatigue during those long gaming sessions. Gamers will also love the additional features that come with this keyboard. For instance, there is a built-in USB pass-through as well as dedicated media keys that can be used to play, pause, and skip through MP3s or YouTube videos without having to switch back and forth between tabs. Other features include textured and contoured keycaps for supreme comfort and accuracy during gameplay, something many other keyboards neglect to offer their users. All in all, the Corsair K70 keyboard has everything gamers would want from a keyboard: durability, design variety, additional features such as USB pass-through, and media keys. The Cooler Master SK 621 keyboard is an excellent keyboard that offers a lot of features and benefits. On the surface, it looks like your average keyboard with 104 keys, but upon closer inspection, you will see all sorts of things to love about this board. It has full media control at your fingertips, including play, pause, previous track, next track, and volume controls. You can also plug in headphones for private listening or connect speakers for sharing. The keys are quiet yet responsive, which means typing on this board will be a breeze without any annoying clicking sounds getting in the way. There is even LED backlighting, so you can type at night or in low light without straining your eyesight. And finally, the USB cable that comes with SK 621 is removable, which means you won't have to worry about replacing it as often. The keys are quiet yet responsive, which means you'll get the most comfortable experience while typing with this keyboard. All of the media controls are on board, which gives you access to music playback options right from your wrists. No need to take your hands off the keyboard just to change the song. The best way to take advantage of the SK 621 is by using it with your PC at home. It would definitely be worth it to pay a bit more money for this aspect, but if you're looking for something that can go on the road, there are lots of options out there that will work just as well, if not better, than this board. The biggest pro about this keyboard is how it doesn't look like anything special, which can be a con for some people. But it has all these hidden features that make life easier. No more fiddling with the volume knob to change your music or having to get up to hit pause. Just sit back, relax, and use the controls located right on the board. The cable is also detachable, which means you won't have to worry about replacing it as often, since it takes abuse being plugged in and out time after time. Speaking of cables, there are two USB connectors included, so you have the option of plugging in either one if one goes bad. Logitech G915 keyboard is a sleek, high-performance gaming keyboard that delivers all the functionality you need to game like a pro. It features Logitech Roamer G mechanical key switches in either blue or brown flavors, and it's built on Logitech's exclusive Lightspeed wireless technology for super-fast 1ms report rate and long battery life. The full-size layout with dedicated media controls makes it perfect for gamers who want to control their music without leaving the action. But what really sets this keyboard apart from others? It's the fact that it has been designed by professional gaming teams of League of Legends, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Overwatch, Heroes of the Storm, and more. The Roamer G mechanical switches deliver an actuation point of 1.5 mm, plus the ability to put 80 million key presses on each key, twice as much as your average keyboard. The G910 is based around a set of just over 50 macro keys that are fully programmable via software, allowing users to recreate almost any keyboard combination they desire. Each time you do so, the key will trigger just as if you were pressing it on a standard keyboard. The G910 also ships with 2 additional top covers that will change the look and layout of the side panels, allowing users to configure it in either a left or right-handed orientation if they don't like it as is out of the box. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to the channel. A cold glass of orange juice is always welcome, but wouldn't it be even better if you could drink out of something that looked like an actual orange? With this SK650 keyboard from Cooler Master, not only will you have access to all the keys on your keyboard, but they'll also look good while doing so. This durable keyboard features high-quality ABS construction for its case and keycaps, which are both designed to resist wear and tear over time. The keycaps will never fade thanks to their UV coating, meaning that they'll always look fresh regardless of how many times you press them down, and when spills happen on occasion. Don't worry, the keycaps are designed to maintain functionality even when they're covered in liquid. The entire keyboard is also resistant to corrosion and rust, which means nothing will interfere with your typing experience over time. It's built out of aluminum alloy, a metal that won't bend or deform no matter how often you pack it away for travels. This ensures the SK650 keyboard will give you years of solid performance without any problems whatsoever. When you're not looking at the SK650, that is how it will look like. The quick access media keys for playback, volume control, and play or pause. On top of the keyboard are uniquely shaped like an orange peel. There's also a detachable wrist rest for added comfort while typing or playing games for extended periods of time. The best part about the SK650 keyboard: it comes in different colors. Pick between black, white, and silver versions to find the one that fits your laptop case or desk set up perfectly. The Havit HBKB30095L keyboard is a sleek and stylish wireless keyboard with a built-in touchpad. This means that you can use the mouse on your laptop or tablet screen without having to buy an additional mouse. It also has a silent keystroke, making it perfect for those who work in busy office environments where silence is essential. The Havit HBKB30095L has a built-in touchpad, making it perfect for those who are using their laptop or tablet without an additional mouse. This also makes the keyboard more compact and allows it to be used in places where space is limited, such as crowded office environments. It does not have its own receiver, instead of plugged into any USB port on your PC, Mac, or other devices. The keystrokes of this keyboard are silent, so you will not disturb anyone around you at work or home. You can also use this keyboard if kids are sleeping nearby, since there will be no risk of waking them up with noisy typing noises. This is perfect for office use since you will not disturb your coworkers. The Havit HBKB30095L looks modern and stylish with its slim, black design that seamlessly complements your other devices. It is also very sturdy, which means that it can take daily wear and tear without getting damaged or run down. Since the keyboard is wireless, you can place it anywhere within a range of 10 meters without having to worry about cords getting in your way or tripping you up. It also comes with a built-in lithium-ion battery that charges by USB, so you will always have power whenever you need it. The Havit HBKB30095L keyboard has an ergonomic design that provides comfort and allows for easy reach of all keys. You can use this keyboard for long periods of time without any discomfort due to its soft touch keys that are kind to your wrists. This wireless keyboard also features backlit illumination, which makes typing in low light conditions possible. This is perfect if you tend to work late at night or early in the morning when it is dark. You will also know which keys you are pressing since each key has an individual light that illuminates for 5 seconds after being pressed. So, there you have it, folks. Feel free to pick the one that fits you the best from the description below. See you next time. Thank you for watching.